Welcome to the Mom and Daughter channel. Today, it's Mommy and Colton. Ellie's not here. Where's Ellie? At her friend Ava's house. And she stayed the night, and now they're at Sky Zone soon. So, Colton said, let's do a video, right? So Colton really likes anything junk food. So what did you say you wanted to make? Chocolate chip cookie? Yeah. A big one? Yeah. So today we're using our cast iron pan again today. And we're going to be making a cookie. Chocolate chip cookie. Yes. So, I forgot the butter. But first we're going to put all the dry ingredients and all the wet ingredients in a bowl. Yeah. That's usually a pretty big thing you want to do.
And a water bowl.
Yes. So, first, now this cookie recipe is like the perfect recipe in my opinion. I love it. It's my favorite. So if I make cookies at home, this is what I use because they're chewy and soft. And they're still got that crunchy on the outside, so they're perfect. Hold on. So the first thing we need is 3/4 cups of brown sugar. So this one, we're gonna put sugar in it. Ready? No, you're gonna dump it in the bowl. Okay?
And then?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yep. Woo! Now, we are putting 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. So, let me fill this up and you can dump it in the bowl. That's all of our flour. And now we're going to do a pinch of salt and you want to use baking soda?
Yeah.
So you want to use 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
Yeah. And you have it too.
Yep, not yet. We gotta get our butter. I forgot to do the butter. And the butter has to be melted. So 1/4 teaspoon baking soda.
Let me try it.
Well, you're gonna mix it.
Mix it? That's it?
No, just hold on. First, let's go get the butter. And he's gonna mix the flour, the dry ingredients. We're gonna get the wet ingredients in here. We're gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna combine it.
I can make it.
Mix it.
I'm not doing it. I like making cookies.
Do ya?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have the butter melted. It's going. I'll grab it in a minute, but it calls for 1 egg.
Yeah, I put it in there.
Oh, we forgot the sugar. You also get 1/4 cup of sugar.
Yeah.
Do we grab a 1/4?
Yeah.
Oh, so here's my butter. We forgot to put 1/4 cup of sugar in there. Here's your sugar.
Hey, Dini, thank you.
So keep mixing.
Thank
We
you.
got the egg. We have the butter. Now, the next thing. The things that makes this cookie good, in my opinion, is it's golden syrup. Now, I'm using the organic golden light syrup. It's like sugar, but it's liquid. I have noticed this ever since I started using this, my cookies have been like perfect. They taste a lot better. So I really like using this.
Yeah.
And you use 2 tablespoons.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's golden syrup.
Yeah. Just like a syrup. It's like sugar. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Vanilla.
I like that.
Do ya? Woo! So one of the little more. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We got our butter.
I'm making this.
So we have everything in here, and we have all the dry ingredients over there. I'm going to use my mixer and beat this a little bit. Good mix. Now we're gonna take this out, and I'm gonna. You wanna dump? I don't know if you can dump some of that. Can you? Dump it in here. balls with it.
Is this
I'm gonna spray my pan, cast iron pan. I have my oven going. I have it at 350. I'm not sure
that is wet.
what it's supposed to be at.
That is wet.
You want chocolate chips in here?
Yeah.
Better start putting them in here.
Here we go.
Get going. Not the whole, I mean, I want to put the whole bag in there. And he did. That might be too much.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give it a good mix. You gotta mix these in.
Yeah.
Fold it in. You love chocolate?
Yeah.
We know. He will eat chocolate chips in a bowl with the spoon, don't you? Like he's eating a bowl of cereal. I had a picture. I don't know. And I was like, oh my gosh, dude. Like, that's how he is.
What?
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna dump this in here. You ready?
Yeah.
He has so much, you dumped all those chocolate chips in there. This is gonna be like a big chocolate. Like, chocolate.
No. Whoa. That's Mommy.
Yeah, I got it.
I put the buns in there.
We were gonna do it on a pizza pan, but it's just me and Colton. So we were like, yeah, not today. You're sweet.
I did.
So, plus we have some ice cream. We were thinking about having some ice cream too on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have it.
Well, not yet, because we gotta let the cookie cook, and I don't know how long the cookie's gonna take.
See? Like that.
Yeah. And make sure you spray your pan. If you don't, you might have a big mess. Now, if your hands are clean,
Yeah, clean
kind of push down a little bit.
No, very hungry. Oh, cookie.
Cookie, yeah. This is gonna be a big cookie.
Yeah, we gotta eat it.
Now, like in my last video we watched, we're cooking in our conventional oven again.
From a turkey thing.
So, we'll see how long
A
this
turkey
takes.
thing.
You ready to put it in?
Yeah.
So here's our finished cookie. Well, it's not finished yet. We gotta bake it, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go put it in. Cookie's done. Does it look good?
Yeah.
So the cookie is complete. It's finished, huh? It looks so good. Yeah?
Yeah.
So now we're going to try some. We're gonna cut into it, I guess. I don't even know what to do. Let me get you a plate. We are going to cut into the cookie. Do you want ice cream too? We got ice cream too. Ready? Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, it's soft. Ooh, look at that. You put so much chocolate chips in there. Well, let's say bye. So that completes today's video. Making our cookie. Now we're gonna eat it and watch some TV, huh? Watch some cartoons?
No.
No, we're not gonna watch cartoons?
No.
No? Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Thank you.